Hey guys, welcome to another video here at Worship Guitar Skills. We're aiming to create content that's going to help you get better with less time and less effort. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to see more content. If you would like to receive notifications when we're posting new videos, please hit the bell icon. Alright guys, so as you saw in the beginning, I did a playthrough of the song. That is how I would typically play this song. So let's get into the parts and break them down. So I'll show you how those go. So for this song, I'm actually using Charles Kemper today. I'm using a Tone Junkie patch, the Reckless Love patch from his 100 song pack, I think it is. So shout out to Tone Junkie for the patches. And if you would like to check out some of his things, he's got some really amazing amp models and profiles for the Kemper. So go check out the link in our description, so you can head to his site and give him some support there. All right, guys. So this song is in the key of F, and it is at 83 BPM, I think. 6/8. Remember that. It's not 4/4. 6/8. So the progression for the song is the 6, 5, 4, 1, and that's basically throughout the whole song. I think it plays the same progression. So for the intro, we're coming in with this really cool like picking part, and I'll play that for you, and then I'll show you how that goes. Alright guys, so that's the part. Basically hang around here on this one chord, which is an F. If you play this F bar chord over here, it's just those bottom two. And then you're kind of messing around with the sus2 and the sus4. So you'd go to the sus2, to the sus4. It's a really cool picking part. And that goes on through the intro, and that is what you play in the chorus as well. So this is what I do in verse 1. Basically strum on the 1 after the, and then we go into this, add the 5th. And that kind of just repeats, you play. You check what I played in the beginning. Alright guys, so the next part of the song is the chorus, which is what we played in the intro. Exactly the same part as the intro, maybe just switch pickups or stack a drive, just to make it a bit more present. And then after the first chorus, we go into a little instrumental hook, which goes like this. Alright guys, so that part is basically just walking down the scale. You can play it either in the pentatonic shape. So we're starting here on the 1. Basically just walking down, and then it goes to the 2 of the major chord. And then we can also play it in a higher version on the top of the pentatonic scale, literally just walking down. Yeah, so that's the hook, the famous line that everyone plays. Yeah, next up is the bridge. In the bridge, I kind of just mess around with this major chord. Pretty much the same as what we're doing in the first verse, or the second verse, sorry. And then you can also do these little walk down, it'll just add some ambience. And as the bridge builds, we go back into that hook. And that builds into a bigger chorus. After the bigger chorus, the chorus basically the same. It's the same as the intro and the first chorus. Or maybe just stack some drives to make it a bit bigger. And then the last hook we go to is the same hook, just once again, stacking it, maybe adding another drive, and then also you can add like an octave pedal. And then I tend to go to the higher version. Big one chord. Alright guys, so that's all the parts that I play in this song. Obviously if you're playing rhythm, you would probably just play chords or do some other fun stuff. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe icon. If you want to get notifications when we're posting more videos, hit the bell icon. And yeah, hope to see you guys soon. If you guys want to see some of our other tutorials, you can click this link right here. And if you want to just check out our channel, check out some of our other videos, you can click this link right here. Stay tuned. In my up-and-coming tutorials, I'm going to be using different Kemper patches. So stay tuned for that. Once again, all of our stuff is from Tone Junkie. If you're wanting to find out anything about tone we use, Tone Junkie is what we use. He makes some really amazing profiles, and yeah, check him out.